start recording and kind of scan over what I'm trying to do here. I've got it recording already. So you see, there's nothing on here. My radio is still playing. I'm sitting here pushing the brake and trying to hit the engine start button. My radio stays on. I manually shut it off. Then I manually turn it back on, and it doesn't shut off at all. The AC and stuff does not operate, but I have nothing as far as starting. Now, when I hop out of the car, and I close the door, can you see the lock? Mm-hmm. I push the lock button, it locks, but none of my lights flash or the horn doesn't chirp. And my remote start's not working now. Here's the original remote. Lock the door twice and still no start. I can unlock the doors. I can open the door. Now, hurry up and pan in here so you see the white screen. I have a white screen, push the brake, and nothing is happening. So I don't know. Brake's on. I'm sitting here pushing the button. I'm holding the button down. And as you can see, the lights just shut off, but I still had the screen on the radio, and I have both remotes right here in my hand.
Do I need to go get your third one?
Go get the third remote. Just go in and get it. Here, I'll hold the phone.
Where's it at?
It should have been laying kind of where this one was. So as you can see, the radio will still turn on. The door is open, the dash is off, and I have nothing. I'm sitting here pushing the button. I'm holding the button, and I've got nothing, but I have both. I have these two keys. Now, okay. Now, as you can see, I have all three keys now. All three of them are in my hand. With all three of them in my hand, I try to push it and I get nothing. Now, I'm going to open this.
Never take a laxative and a sleeping pill in the same night. You're welcome. Another PSA from all of us here, the Rock Station.
Pull all of this out. Put the key in the little key thingy. Push the button. I still have nothing. So I take this key out. I put this key in, which is the original. It says Ford on it. Put that key in, and I still have nothing. My dash isn't lighting up. My radio's still playing. The radio won't shut off unless I shut it off by hand now. So I'll take that key out, and I'll put the second key in, which is an aftermarket. Or it's a new key, no Ford emblem. Put that in there, and same thing, I get nothing. Push buttons on my steering wheel. I can get the stations to change with the steering wheel buttons. I push everything over here, and I still get nothing. I'll turn my headlights on, and I still get nothing. I'll turn the full off. Still nothing. Let off the brake. Nothing. I'm off the brake. Give it just a smidgen of gas. Nothing. And I'm still tapping the push to start. So I'll turn it back to auto. And still nothing. I'll kind of wiggle the shifter around. Still nothing. Now I'll take this key out. Try it again and still nothing. I'll take the key itself. This is one of the new ones. I got nothing. I'm using the key to push the button. Here's another new one. It's got the ring on it. Pushing the button, you can see it's not the original. Still nothing. Now here's the original. It's got the Ford button on it, or the Ford emblem. And still nothing, and I'm using it to push the start button with, and I'm getting absolutely nothing. Help, please. Okay, you can stop this.